Well, Happy New Year. I just wanted to jump on with a quick video to wish everyone a Happy New Year and new opportunities, new challenges, new projects. Doesn't matter what it is. But I do want to say this. We don't have to wait for a new year to do new things. Every day is an opportunity to do something new. Every day is an opportunity to make changes or to step out of your comfort zone. The end of the year or the beginning of a new year, why wait? We have the option to do it every day. This past year has been really exciting for myself. A lot of changes I've made within my personal life, and it has really expanded me as a person to step out of my comfort zone, to start doing something different, even though I've always been told I can't do that. So when you make changes within yourself and you do something new throughout the year, keep in mind that sometimes people will say, you can't do that. Why are you doing that? That's going to fail, etc., etc. Well, trust me, if you believe you can do it, it can be done. There's very few people I have found in my world that actually support me even if they think I'm going down the wrong road. They're going to support me no matter what. Why? Because they're my choices. They value the friendship. They value me as a person. And sometimes I just got to learn the lessons on my own, whether they're failures or successes. So do something new every day. Don't wait for a year to come up. 2024 is going to be very busy, different. It's an election year, all that good stuff. But hey, don't let any of that cloud your journey through the year. All that stuff happens all the time. Put it in its place and move on and try something new every day, not just on New Year's Day. God bless, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day with your family and friends if that's what you're doing. Otherwise, hey, enjoy life.